The people them in Jamaica too, We know want a wicked set of people too, some money, Come make we talk family. Come make we reason. So I want to start that video by bigging up all of the artists them. From the Vibes Cartel, to the Buju Banton, to the Mavado, to the Spice, to the Massacre, to the Ding Dong, and to the Ramesh. And Shaggy, big up yourself, because you're always the front line when it comes to giving aid to Jamaica. Yeah man, we respect you man. And there's a set of people though, when I don't really hear nobody big up and I give credit. Like the regular Jamaican citizen them, the first days after the hurricane, or the first week after the hurricane, the regular citizens them jump out and give as much aid as possible. Even if them not have it, enough people jump out and give what them can give. So I want big up them people too. You see me? So make we talk, And me alone see the need for a proper disaster management team in Jamaica. Because right now to me, this a government them not have a clue with what go on. You see me, them out of touch with the people. Me always know that, And I always feel like rich man can't relate to poor man, Because they don't have the same struggles. They're not living in the same environment. You see me? So all of the people them who feel like say when people talk against certain things, it is politically motivated. Take a trip, go down to Black River, Westmoreland, or Trelawney, and you will see for yourself. Because I know we talk, and the people them talk. And so far, majority of the places them where we go, the people them make we know say, yo, regular people like Uno we see, We don't see nobody from no government officials, we don't see no MP and we don't see no that. While me know say it's hard to cover all of the grounds, the people them actually want to see Uno. Uno them put in for represent them. You see me? Because I go to Black River the other day in the heart of the town. And that's like a week after. And the people them make me know say, yo, we don't see none of them. You see me? And I feel like say, yo, the government need to have a team where him send out and go in at the individual community them. Or say, alright, you're responsible for that community here. See, I'm going to give you a stipend. So you work with me. You liaison with me and make me know how best me can help the people them. Because none of that now go on. So many communities that is damaged, nobody not really go to them or no aid not really reach them because when you touch a road, say you left and say you got a Black River, for you actually reach a Black River with where you say you going to give the people them, trust me, you have to just harden your heart. Because when you're up on the streets and you see the amount of people on the street side, I beg for help, trust me, it's really overwhelming and heartbreaking. And we know Jamaicans, We know say Jamaicans don't really love begging, You see me? Yeah man, me know that man. So you know so when I say Jamaicans swallow them pride and take to the streets and I beg for help, you know say yo, them need the help. You see me? But me definitely feel like say yo, the government need to have some people in the community them. And I see the Prime Minister come say the other day how them plan to give 11 million per constituency in the rebuilding process of all the damages where people them go through. Anybody who know about building, a house building and roof, knows like one roof, especially if you have a decoramastic roof, that are like $2-3 million for one roof. You see me? So I don't really know what $11 million for. And the people them at Jamaica watch and I hear about all of the aid and all of the donation them, and I wonder how it not reach them. You see me? You see the government systematic thing, it has always been slow. Everything government has always been slow in Jamaica. You see me? If you go to the tax office, you have to spend the whole day. Them things they need to change because when you come out with things like, alright, the people them who need help need to go on this website, government.this.org. Majority of the people them don't have light. Majority of the people them don't have access to internet. Me live in a lightly damaged area and 2 weeks after me still not have light and water. You see me? Me not really see no trucker go around and give the people them no water and the people them want drinking water. It is so terrible that the people don't even have water to clean up them place. And in enough of them house full of mud and it's a mess. You see me? So why the MP them not really do what them need to do? Me see my MP go outside of her constituency and I give help. Nothing wrong with that. But please remember, say your constituency still need help too. You see me? Yeah, man. You need to do better, man. You really need to do better because the whole process of getting help, trust me, it don't look good. I mean, I tell you, say, yo, the citizens them look like them care more than the actual leaders. But at the end of the day, I don't mean vote them in. You see me? So some people are gonna say, yo, you get what you vote for. No, you don't get what you vote for. You vote for good leadership. And whether you're PNP or JLP, you're supposed to get help when you need it. You understand? Because what? Natural disaster and sell a shop, you know. Nobody not hard a hurricane, you know. You see me? And the people them say, yo, the PM look more happy. Say Black River destroy so them can build them smart city. You see me? But more all of the black now people them at Jamaica, you know, and resist them smart digital shit that them a come with, you know. Because all them a do a come with more ways for control we. You see me? And for the MP of St. Elizabeth, where build a 100 million mansion, I hope you put up some of them people here. Because I feel them vote, put you in the position where you could do what you do to build at the mansion there. And we know it's a foul play in that too. You see me? But to each his own. You see me? Yeah, man. The food basket at St. Elizabeth, we have to go start import food. So whenever one storm come, them say, oh, we are prepared for the storm. No country can be properly prepared for a hurricane. The most preparation you can make is for after the hurricane. Why we not have no proper food storage going in Jamaica? Why we have to go through all of them something here? Huh? Why we have to go through all of them something here? And one thing too, you know, the people them in Jamaica too, you know. We know want a wicked set of people to, you know, somehow, you know. Because whenever we have a natural disaster, exploitation is at an all-time high. Taxi fare we used to cost $350. The man them a use it, the hurricane for charge you $500. If one can go cost $100, the man them want to sell you for $200. And those are not new inventory. Those are old inventory where them have before the storm. So them set of people them not really do the country no good. I mean, I make you know straight. I don't rate you know. Because I don't really believe in exploiting my people, especially in a time like this. Because at the end of the day, where them forget it from? Huh? Where them forget it from? Enough people now work. The hurricane mash up everything. The whole Jamaica they on slow motion. All if you're not fully affected, it still affect you. You see me? So we need to do better as a nation, and we need to come together as a nation and stand up for what we want as a nation. You see me? I hope and pray that one day Jamaica will actually get a leader who really and truly care about the people them. Because the last time with the COVID, we know it's a whole heap of donation go on, and we still never see where the money go. You see me? So we not really get no accountability from the leaders of the country either. You see me? And the world are watching, you know. The world are watch because a whole heap of relief come here, a whole heap of money. And the last time we checked, the Integrity Commission did inform us about the Prime Minister using charity money for personal use. So we don't really want to hear that again. Make sure say all of the aid money go to the people them. And some of the people them too, them actually need cash in hand to spend and buy things for themselves too. Yeah? So they need to give the people them the money when they get to give the people them and stop tight up in the government system where I move like slug and I rob the people them. We're tired of the bullshit, you know. We need better for our country and we need to rebuild stronger. And word to the wise, I mean for crush the industry, but those 3 million decoramastic roof, it don't make no sense. Deck on a house, people. I mean know most people are gonna deck them house after this. Because imagine you spend $3 million on a roof and poof, just like that, it gone. But that's just my opinion still. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm out.